Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to enable the lock screen notification on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's begin the video. So if you want notification to be appearing on your lock screen so that you don't have to unlock your phone to view them, this is what you need to do. Open up your setting. In settings, you want to scroll and select notifications. Tap on lock screen and then just tap on the toggle like that to turn them on. Once they are enabled, you can now choose how you want the notification to appear. You can choose card, you can choose icons, or you can choose dot. And then once you have chosen your notification style, you can now go back and select the hidden content when locked. Here, you can select show always. This will show all the notification on the lock screen for apps which have notification turned on. Now go back and select app notifications. Here you can choose which apps are allowed to show content and which apps aren't just by tapping on this toggle next to the app like this. You can choose to enable or disable for different apps. If you have chosen to hide content, it means that all you see is just the app icon. And whether the contents of notifications or whether it's message or just an app notification, you want to able to see anything except from the app icon. Then once you have customized how you want to lock screen notification to look like and how you want the content to be displayed, all you need to do is just close the setting app and then you want to go back to the lock screen. And you want to try sending yourself a message if you already have a notification on your phone, and you should see them being displayed on the lock screen like this. Then from here you can just tap on them and you can choose to view the notification all without having to unlock your phone. So you can keep track of any important information all from the lock screen of your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year.